welcome to Cool Kids Racing, and we have to do this super fast. But we have monster trucks, and this is what they're going to do. They're going to go down, try and hit Steel Cleo, so they'll get more points, and then they try and land it. But this is the obstacle where they have to try and land. But
they're trying to land, and if they knock down cups, they get points. Is that right?
Oh wait, no, not if they land. If they knock down cups.
But do they get points though if they land too, though, right?
Yeah, okay. That is pluses. And Steel Cleo, my newest.
Do they get 1 point for each cup?
Yep.
And 1 point for steer clear?
Yeah, 1 point for Steel Cleo if they knock him down.
And then 1 point for landing too?
Yep.
All right.
But if they do, because I have Kraken, he's a really good wheelie. So I think if they do wheelies, it's 2 points. I think.
Okay.
So
who got up first?
First one we have Silver Grave Digger.
Can I see it?
We saw this in a car box, but
Ooh, nice.
It was not supposed to be.
Yeah, he's cool looking.
Yeah, he's cool. He broke his tire once.
Oh, yeah.
Versus Gravedigger.
My Gravedigger.
Yep.
All right. Are they going at the same time or one at a time?
One at a time.
Okay.
First up.
All right, hold on, Jen. He's later.
Whoa!
Did not land, but he knocked down 4 cups.
He got 1, 2, 3,
4.
4.
This guy's first.
And he got
Look at this guy.
steer clear, so that's 5.
Yep. So
I know he landed upside
got
down.
5. I'll set these back up.
And so far he's the winner because he's the only one who's done it.
Yep. So let's set these back up. Oh, also he knocked down these, but they did not crash, so did not count.
They don't. Oh, because they landed upside down?
Yeah.
They got to land on their side? All right.
Let's do. Oh yeah. I guess Yoshi's going.
I guess Yoshi's going first next.
1,
Holy
2,
cow.
3, 4, or 5, 6, 7. So Yoshi's in the lead.
He's got 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Oh, 9.
Yoshi's in the lead. Good job, John.
Holy! Silver Gravedigger is now down.
All right, let's set it back up.
With Yoshi.
Where'd Yoshi go, John?
Yoshi.
Oh, he's right here.
Oh yeah. He almost did a wheelie. That
He
would
almost
have
did.
counted.
He said,
This guy. John didn't even show this guy. It's a Super Mario guy that has coins, a superstar, a cool engine.
Yeah.
It's a cool shape.
All right, let's set it back
He
up.
knocked down Steel Clear, so that
No.
is.
Yeah, that was, I counted steer clear. So he's got 9.
This. Well. These are the easiest ones to knock down because they're really hard to put up. Like, see how hard that is?
John, you gotta wait till we set things up, okay, bud?
John, don't do it yet.
How about you let James do it, okay?
Yeah, I'll do it.
'Cause we gotta set it all up.
fell and then fell.
Yeah.
What's this for?
Up top. Yep.
Ah! Don't fall. Stay up. John, don't do any yet.
We already told him he's fine.
Oh, yeah, I forgot. Let's do this.
You're missing 1 plastic cup.
Oh, yeah. Well,
Oh, it's on my feet.
That was funny. Let's put this.
All right.
Now,
who's next?
So Yoshi's in the lead, so he goes there.
Now this guy.
So, no.
No, hold on. Let James do one of his, okay?
Yeah, so those 2 are both out. So let's do. Let's do Lucas Stabilizer versus this guy.
My
Okay.
2 guys?
These 2. Wait. Oh yeah, this guy's more of Dad. Let's do this guy.
You want to do your guy, John?
We'll do.
Is that John's
Kraken.
or yours right there? Who is that?
That was John's.
Yeah, let John do his then.
Okay. Let's
So,
do
we'll
Demo
do-
Derby for us.
Demo Derby.
1.
Only got 1.
John, no more.
We'll give him 2, but still he's out.
Yep, still he's out. He actually wanted to be out, see?
Yeah. All right, set him back up.
He wanted to be.
Ah, what happened?
What happened? That fell down.
Yeah.
All of these.
All right, John, can you grab that cup and put it up there? The cup literally right by your feet. Other way. Flip it up. Over. Upside down.
No,
There we go.
not like that.
Oh, maybe not. Sorry. I
Okay.
got confused.
Next one.
Who we got next? Lucas Stabilizer or
Kraken
Kraken?
and
Who's going to go?
Lucas Stabilizer.
The best.
And then yours.
Oh, he should get extra points for destroying everything.
Yeah, he destroyed this. And Lucas.
So he got 1 point. No, John,
John, don't do
you gotta
any.
wait. Wait your turn. I know, that's my guy. We're almost there.
We're almost there. Wait, wait. Steel Cleo. You
Yep.
broke the cup. Sorry, that doesn't
Hey,
count.
Dave. Lindy. Lindy.
So this.
Can
So
you
your
stop
guy
that
got
for a little
2 points. This guy got 2 points, so he's out. Ah!
Popcorn.
Ah!
Popcorn.
All right, let's go. We
What?
gotta hurry. I gotta go to work.
Popcorn.
Yep. Okay, let's do Gunster,
You
Grave
Let's
Digger,
hold on.
Gunster and Grave Digger.
Wait, what happened to Kraken?
Kraken?
You still haven't gone with Kraken.
Oh yeah,
I found this.
do Kraken.
Oh, he only got 2?
No, that's 3.
Oh, you're gonna count that? Okay, I'll give him 3, but he's still out. So kick him out. All right, who we got now?
Next up is Gunster, Grave Digger.
Are these the last 2? Oh no, I got Night Shifter and you got Black Panther.
Ah!
Oh my goodness.
We'll just
James.
leave it because I don't want.
No, we gotta set it up so that they
Okay.
get a chance
Okay.
for the same amount of points.
So that's 5, 6.
You got right there.
He almost knocked down that one.
Yeah.
So John, can you hear? John, we're just going 1.
1. I'd say that's.
Wait,
He's still out. Either way,
yeah. Either way,
kick him out.
Dale, Gunster. Next,
You keep dropping him
We
on
just-
the track.
dude.
All right, Gungster, Night Shifter, and you have Black Panther, right?
Yep.
That's all that's left. All right, who are we doing next? Black Panther. Oh my goodness. So let's see. 1, 2, 3,
3,
4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
8.
Are you counting that one there?
Wait, yeah.
That'd be 9 then.
Wait.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You got
Oh,
9.
so Yoshi and Black Panther tied.
Yeah.
That's cool.
The only difference is Black Panther didn't get
I
the
found
extra
the
point
beds. The beds
To
were
win.
from knocking down Steer Clear.
Yeah. Knocking the extra point.
in here.
So
All right.
Gunster and Northern Nightmare. Wait, they have the same inside tire. That's cool. Go.
Oh,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
6.
6?
There's one inside.
Oh, those inside ones are hard to get.
Yeah, they don't knock down very easily.
Well, they're really slippery in
Hey,
there.
no, John, we're not going to put that in there right now.
But that's
You
So
can wait. I know
Gunster-
it's wedge. You like wedge, huh?
Lost.
That's your favorite one, huh?
Ah, that fell.
Here. Okay.
So, next up is Yoshi. Wait,
No,
no,
it's
this
Northern
guy.
Nightmare.
Northern Nightmare
Did not do
did
anything.
not do anything.
All right, it's
He said
John's
knock down-
Yoshi
yeah, my nose.
versus
Yeah, I think that.
Black Panther for the win.
Yep.
There were 2 winners.
If John.
James, you do Black Panther, and John will do Yoshi win last, okay?
Okay.
So you gotta wait till after James does his, and we set it back up. Here we
I
go.
want to give that
Oh, you tried to go for more points, and you only got 2.
2.
1, 2. All right.
John, you do Yoshi.
All right, John,
Black
let's go,
Panther
Yoshi.
only has 2. I
Yep,
think
you
Yoshi's
tried
going to
getting.
win.
Tried. Yoshi wins!
Yoshi wins. Yoshi. actually picked out this guy.
No,
But-
I picked it out.
Well, I picked it out at the store.
Oh, okay.
Well, it was
This
Super
round, I
Kids.
picked it out, but because I got to go to work, we had to go fast and
Bye,
cut down
bye.
some cars.
Thank you for watching. Bye.
See you next time.
See you next time.